There's no use running. You know you're your own assassin. You don't need no help with that. It's your back that you've been stabbing.